This is Nova. We are now talking to you to bring the knowledge of the stars, alignment, in support of the shift that humanity now is facing. New vibrations, activations needed to be embraced by those who carry the knowledge. Shifting in orbit, new dimensions, new energy cords created to facilitate new information, streams of information through the GTS, Starseeds on Mother Earth. You are called upon to open your hearts, stand in unity. Unity in the universe as well as on Mother Earth. The human race will die in the way they live their life from a 3D perspective. You acknowledge this as you have embraced the dimension of unity. Moving one moment. Cascades of energy will be released, causing power, affecting humanity. Cascades, energy, waves to remove the low vibrations. Elements will assist. Water needs to be embraced once again for the purity and the purification, not only of Mother Earth, but of the human race. Fire, the earth, the core, burning, radiate, shifting of mountains, causing tragedy, explosions, realignment, 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 realignment. Winds of change. More wind. Purification, clarity. Remove old, bring new. We will now show the vessel the new energy cords created in support of your work.